Hey, did you know that for every dollar spent on email marketing, you can make up to $38 back? Yes, that's exactly what companies like Salesforce.com and many other top startups are doing. Hi, my name is Ankur Shukla, and I've been watching all these top companies and how they've been doing their email marketing. These companies are actually getting over 3,800% ROI on their spending. That is amazing, right? I've noticed that these companies actually use new methods and new tools to double or even triple the amount of money that they're making with email marketing. They have special tools that they've made internally, and these tools actually help them get more opens, more clicks, and more sales from their email marketing. I wanted to get the same kind of success because my email marketing was not working out that well. So I decided to figure out what tools they had, and I hired a team of developers to make them for me. Turns out it wasn't that hard. Introducing Email Toolkit, a collection of 10 email apps and tools that help you get more opens, more clicks, and more sales from your emails. These tools actually help you get more engagement and make more money from your email lists. I started seriously testing them with my own email marketing, and in 2018 so far, I've been able to generate over $145,000 in sales by using these new tools. And the best part is, more than over $100,000 of that is profit in less than 8 months simply because of using these new tools for my email marketing. Now that is amazing, and I can honestly say that my email marketing has changed and my online business is growing in a big way. Now let me show you what each tool does quickly so you can get your own access to these tools. Once you log into Email Toolkit, you can see all the apps and tools on the left hand side over here. The first tool is the headline or subject line generator. This is a one-click software that instantly generates over 300 catchy email subject lines or headlines for your blog posts when you enter just one word. This is amazing to get quick, high-converting subject lines or headlines for your marketing. Next is the Email Formatter app that will format your emails the right way for maximum clicks and results on mobile phones as well as desktop. With over 70% of email traffic coming from mobile devices, this is crucial for your marketing. Next is the Spammy Subject Checker app that can instantly check if your email subject line can land your email in the spam box or not. This is a must-have tool to avoid the spam box for your email marketing. Next, we have the Spam Words Checker app that instantly highlights spam words in your email content that can affect your delivery and opens of your email. Use this for fixing your email content for better inboxing and stronger delivery. Next, we have the Email Extractor app. This is a one-click software that can extract hundreds of emails from any kind of text you paste into it. No more manual digging for emails inside text or source code or content anymore. Next is my favorite, the Email Countdown app that inserts scarcity and urgency into your emails using a countdown timer that's actually ticking right inside your emails that makes you sales and makes readers take more action instantly. Next is the very powerful Email Magic app that takes personalization to a whole new level. This can actually personalize the images inside your emails with the subscriber's name to get more clicks and results from your emails. This is very awesome, and even top marketers like Frank Kern use stuff like this in their email marketing. Next, we have the very much wanted List Cleaner app that can clean your email list of bad emails in just one click and give you a nice clean list to get higher delivery and lower complaints. So you get better inboxing and more clicks and more sales automatically. Next is one of my favorites, the Gmail Preview app that lets you instantly see how your email will appear in the Gmail inbox preview and also in the iPhone view. So you can craft your emails for maximum impact and get higher opens so you can stand out in people's inboxes easily. And finally, we have the super fun but highly effective Email Emoji app that can insert fun emoji into your email subjects to get higher opens and results from your email. This has proven to get you 56% more opens than regular text. Definitely something you need to use in your emails, right? So these are all the 10 powerful email apps we have inside Email Toolkit, and top marketers and companies use these for their email marketing every single day. They have the power to start getting you double or even triple open rates, clicks, and emails from your email marketing. So you need to get your hands on these immediately. Now, if you were to make all these yourself or buy them outside elsewhere, you might end up spending a lot of time and money on these. But today on this page, you can get each of these tools for less than $2. Yes, $2 for each software. That is a steal deal, and you do not want to miss this, seriously. So take action now and get your hands on the 10 amazing email apps and tools with Email Toolkit that have made me over $145,000 in the last few months alone. And you can change your email marketing game in a big way starting today. But hurry, the price is at a huge discount right now and will go up very soon. So do not wait. Take action now and get access to all the apps and tools instantly.